Books and Beyond. I'm Melanie Kendall, and today we're here at Joseph Beth to find out why life is good. Joining me is Virginia Berry. She's a store merchandiser here at Joseph Beth. Virginia, what is the meaning behind the brand, Life is Good?
Well, when Bert and John Jacobs founded their company in 1994 and created their character Jake with his infectious grin, they sought to fulfill their mission statement, which is to spread the power of optimism. They focus on positively, doing what you like, liking what you do. Their demographic truly is everyone who sees the glass half full.
And what kind of Life is Good products do you have?
We have a great selection of men's and women's tees, both short sleeve and long sleeve. We carry hats, bags, coffee mugs, drink holders, and we even have jammies and comfy socks.
And how does Life is Good give back to kids?
Well, in keeping with Joseph Beth's mission of giving back to our community, Life is Good has set up a foundation for kids. They donate 10% of all their profits annually to their foundation. They give a lot to kids' activities, keeping kids active and healthy and happy, fostering optimism through physical activity.
Thanks, Virginia. Joseph Beth, where ideas are shared, knowledge is gained, and memories are created. Join us next week for more Books and Beyond. For ABC 36, I'm Melanie Kendall.